Hey guys, welcome back. I am coming on to finish up my last layout to play along with Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches Series 12. So I am going to be working with the sketch from June 30th, created by Miss Carrie. There is her tag down there, Miss Carrie's Creations. So let's see what we have. We, of course, have a 12 by 12, title over here, photo block here, pieces. It looks like a little stitching, large embellishment. Very cool, very usable. Hoping I can pull something off that will work with what I have. I have a kit. It was a double track kit from the Scrap Room from December 2022. And it's a bunch of product from, oh, I have two red, from 49 and Market. So I've got a couple pieces of this ruby red cardstock from Basil. I've got a light blue piece of cardstock. I bet it's Basil. And then I've got scraps. Not a whole lot from that, right? For embellishments, and I'm thinking of doing something with this. I've got these really great phrases like rub-ons. Those are the words. And then I've got a lot of these embellishment pieces and a couple of chipboard. Now, I told you I don't have a lot of pattern paper and whatnot. And I'm like, all right, how do I get around that? What I thought I would try to do is with all of these rub-ons, I'm going to try to create a piece of paper that's going to allow it to run down this side, like with white cardstock, I think. And let's see. So we have white cardstock. I'm thinking, you know how we have like that photo strip area? This is my thought process. What if I go ahead and just cut a strip? Like let me see, is there anything super wide? No. I'm gonna go ahead and just cut a strip, right? And I'm using textured cardstock, which, yeah, don't do that if you're gonna do rub-ons. I'm going to anyway. And I'm going to put that strip like right here. And I'm going to fill it right up with all of these phrases. I think that would be super cute. Now, my daughter is kind of facing that way. So I'm going to think to put a photo right here. Now, I know when I put the photo there, I'm going to have my photo matted. So what I'm gonna do before I really get going on my way too many rub-ons, yes, I can do the words. I know how to say words. Is I'm going to just go ahead. I hope this makes sense to you. And I'm going to do a pencil line because my thoughts are I don't really need rub-ons behind there. Now, I don't need my rub-ons to be super, super legible. I just want to be able to, have it look like a pattern paper. I think that'll be great. Now, that will leave me with some good strips I can put next to it and all of that, like we see in our, see, there's that strip I'm talking about. So then I'll have enough pattern paper to do strips, maybe a title piece over here, who knows. Phew. So it's gonna take me a minute to go off and create these bits. I do need to map my photo. I've got more white cardstock over here, scrap white cardstock to mat that. Ooh, it'd be so cute matted in this too with what they're wearing. Okay, I'm gonna put that aside to mat. Look at how cute that would be. Ooh, I wonder, I can mat it like that and then like this. All right, so I've got some things to do and I'll meet you right back here. All right, guys, it has been almost a week since I started working on this with you. So quick check-in. I use this piece here. What's on the other side? Oh, it's just a deep, deep red for the block, the title block. And then there was a little piece on top. So I just grabbed a scrap I had just sitting here and popped it on top. Now, I did that. And then I went, oh, I think I'm supposed to put some of my die cuts underneath it, but we'll just move things around a little bit. It'll be fine. I think I need to trim right here or something. No, something slightly wonky. Fine, we'll trim it. We don't want to redo it. Okay. So Scraps are getting low, my friends. Now let's see what I have in my goodie bin, and we'll see how we can pop some things up. Now, under the tree, I think that's the only wordy bits I have. And legit, I think that's my title, because I don't have a lot of other anything to work with anyway. So let's see what we can use. Now I can pop this up so easily. I've got all kinds of the words on here for my for those rub-ons, and I think they're fantastic. Do not get me wrong. I mean, we are going to work with everything, but I think it's super awesome too that we can just kind of layer up things. We can put all different colors on. Oh, this will be great for that under the tree area. And guys, I'm not, you know, you guys are watching me. I haven't stuck the new stuff down. I just really like all of this beautiful layering. And guys, a little bit of this green space is perfect. Green space, oh my gosh. White space, because this is kind of busy. As y'all can see, it is kind of busy. I might do my tickets on the wonk. This, I think, is fantastic. I just want to make sure that wherever I put it, it's going to add something. So let's go ahead and layer that up, slightly different layers. That's still working. This is a piece that was like within a frame, so I'm not as worried about that. Now, I do have different pieces. Like this was cut from something previously, but it will bring in a tiny bit of the blue. So why not use that? We can do something. Do we want to do it like there, or do we want to, oh, right there. Okay, so we have that. I've got a little black and white label bit. I can also pop that there right by the ticket. Does it do anything? Not really, but I like it. All right, so we've got, ooh, let's go ahead. We have the blue there. Let's put a blue here. We can put a green here. I know there's green there, but I only have what I have, my friends. So I can pop this here. This black piece, if I had another wordy bit on, I could use it, but I'm gonna hold off on that. And then finally, I have this bit right here. What I think I'm gonna do with these two pieces is I'm gonna find one of our little bits and just fill them in. Like I've got these red papers and I can fill them in. Phew, guys, I feel like I just did a marathon with you. Okay, now I have some Christmas flair. I'm gonna go find that. I'm gonna fill these in, get all of these pieces popped down, and then we'll come back and start addressing the bingo sheet. All right, last time going through our bingo card. Let's see what we can do here. I've got all the pieces on. Oh, and I found flair from two different, you know, it'd really be helpful if I stuck some adhesive on this when I'm talking to you. I found flair from two different flair sets. I've got these two, and I loved it because I found some Christmas flair and it had the blue, and it totally brought in the blue that's in this collection. And here's from another one. The last two flair I have from this, they're so cute. They're little snowmen. Aren't they cute? Okay, so I guess that's not necessarily Christmas flair. It was my wintry flair. All right, stars. Guys, you guys know I have gone through so many of these little puffy bits, and I don't have any more little puffy stars there. That's totally fine with me. Let's see if I have any. Where's my bin with the acrylics? Oh, here it is. Guys, I have bins on bins. Do I have any more stars? Ooh, I can use this one red one. This sea foamy minty one isn't gonna work, but I can use this red one. And these are from Lacey Ann Designs. I think I got this from She Loves Color, but I don't, I think, but I don't know. Oh, I'm gonna put it right there. It's a perfect one. Okay, we'll put it there. It'll add to the something something. Great. Stickers. Do I have stickers on here? I have rub-ons. I don't have stickers. How funny is that? This may be my first layout. Enamel dots. Let's see what we have in this little bin to start. Are these two like cherry red? What do you guys think? And guys, these were from My Mind's Eye Gal Meets Glam. So it totally, you know what? I can use those up on it. It totally does not matter, like if it's not from a Christmas collection. They're just enamel dots. They get to just do what they need to do, right? Ooh, I have one there, but that one's totally orange. And I might be able to use some of those blue if I have to. So we will enamel dot up in a minute. Fussy cutting, I did not do. The no pattern paper thing, I guess right there, but otherwise it's pattern paper. Wood veneer. Let's see if I have any cute little bits I can add from this. I mean, I've got some pretty basic wood veneer, so it shouldn't be terribly difficult. Like the little hearts are always cute and all that, but these arrows are kind of nice too. And it'll give me a reason to have like these like little chipboardy pieces that aren't really doing anything. But I can go like that. Do I want it there? No, I think I'm gonna layer it right on top of that. So I have 3 arrows, perfect. Perfect. That works. All right, let's keep going. Circles, I have all kinds of circles between the Flair and these chipboard. I don't have any numbers at all. Nope, nope, nope. Double border, that is taken care of on my layout. Sequins, I should be able to get a few sequins on here. I think, oh look, I even have a Flair from, I have 3 from Shimmers, but I do have, look at this sequin mix from Shimmers Paints. It is full of all the right colors. So I will do a little sequin thing, I think kind of coming on an angle. That'll be fine. I have a single photo. I have plenty, oops, sorry. I have plenty of chipboard, zero vellum, mixed media. Why don't I come in with some Shimmers Paint Color Splash and Whites Other Eyes? Guys, I know I tell you guys this, but when you put your order in at Shimmers Paints, put my name in the comments section to score a freebie, because, you know, freebies are cool. Okay, I didn't distress the edges. I do have Flair. I have a pre-made title, no rainbow, foam puffies. Let's see. Oh, guys, I can get a couple of these foamy bits on here. I have some gray and I have black and white. So in the hearts. So I'm gonna get all of these pieces on there. I'm gonna do my splatty bits. I'll come back and show you my finished layout. Alrighty, Roo. I've got some splatty bits going. I have got sequins, enamel dots, puffies, all of the things are tucked in, and I chose to go on a nice little diagonal with my splatty bits, sequins, etc. So that's what I have for you guys today. I will have some still shots to follow. And is there anything else? No, I don't think so. So it's time for me to start preparing for the next series. I also will do a kill a kit and go through some layouts with y'all coming up. Is there anything else? No, that's what I have for you guys today. So guys, I'll see you ever so soon with another video. Bye for now.